¿Qué pasó? How's everybody doing today? Pork truck. Rude ass people. Riding. Ni pedo. Wash it later. So today, you got my brother's truck in the back. Close this up. There we go. Ah, boy. $1976 C10. With my brother. So what he's doing is he's taking off his 3-inch springs right here. 3-inch CPPs, and he's putting in these 2-inch CPPs because we put 3-inch spindles on it last weekend. We didn't record it, I should have, and it would hit on top. So it's cheaper for him to get springs than to order spindles. Let's see what he's doing. Ay, güey, no miro nada. So all you gotta do is take off the shock right there with the 3/4 in and out on both the steering link. Sway bar, and it should be easy to pop out. Oh, panza! So yeah. ¿Eh?
La pinza perra o una llave.
¿Para cuál?
Ahorita.
Oh, detrás atrás?
Oh, it's right here. This is the size?
Yeah.
How in the world did you get it in there?
I don't know. I just got it. ¿Qué quieres?
To hold it?
Alright.
Or should I do the opposite?
I don't think it'll fit on the bottom. Nah, wait.
Nope.
You can see better on this side. Or it would hit.
Right here. Because my rim was bent. It's got little bends and it's grinded them down.
Right there too. That's in there. 3-inch spindle. So yeah.
That'll work. But they're fun.
Little 350 with like 45 original miles. Maybe 46 now.
Not a day.
Original. 45,000 miles. He only drives it once a month, just like me.
Oh, we're both training?
There you go. 76 C10 GMC High Sierra.
She's fancy.
I'll show you how it looks when we're done. So we'll get back to you guys. Choking on the fucking monster. There we go. Got the kids out here now. Here's the 400 real quick. Just gotta paint the valve covers. And I was gonna put that 350 tranny on it, but torque converter's stuck. Can't take it off, so it seized onto the pump. Valió madre. Ni pedo. What can we do? I'll make a video on that in a little bit. But my brother's already done. Now just going back together. If you mechanically inclined, you can do this in like half an hour. Both sides.
Oh, thanks. I'm a truck driver.
This guy's taking a little longer because he is mechanically inclined, pero ni pedo.
Whatever.
He tries.
But I get it done.
So yeah, all you do is where's my finger? Where's my finger? There it is. You take off the sway bar link right there. You unbolt the steering link right there, and then you take off. Mueve la pinche mano. Oh no. Gotta go do the side roll. And you take off that one right there. And just smack it with the hammer. Put the jack on the bottom, smack it with the hammer, and it should fucking pop off. But they're 15/16 for that one, 15/16 for that one. Those are, what is it?
Which one?
Those.
For the sway bar?
A 14 or ¿cuál
It's
es
a
it?
15.
No,
The bottom is a 15 and the
not-
top is 9/16.
9/16 for those. And then the shock in the back is a 18. So yeah. So this truck has a, it used to have a 6.8, but the tires would smack on top. So he went for a 5.8. And
¿Puedes bajar poquito el jack?
yeah, a ver si puedo con una mano.
No está apretado.
Oh shit, put it in. You know you can push the shock up, right?
Not the shock, I can't get it in the hole.
Ay, cabrón. That's never good. Lala, ¿qué haces? Cabrona. Ay, wait. Trying to get up. Hey. Pinche coco. But yeah, he's running these right here. The original was rallies, 15x8s on 235, 75, 15. I'll show you guys when he's done. We'll pull it outside and give you guys a quick walk around about it. And yeah, back in the days, I had this truck for 2 years, and then he's had it for 7. And I bought those at Pick and Pull for $7 each, $7.99. But that was like 6-7 years ago when nobody really knew about them. And now that Pick and Pull knows about them, they're selling them for $50 each. So that was a good little come up back then. But yeah, once he's done, I'll do a quick walk around on it, so you guys can see what's up with it. Poor truck, dirty like always. Ni pedo. But yeah, there we go. My brother's 1976 GMC. What is it, C15 maybe? It's not a C10. It's a GMC Seg so it's a C1500 or C15. Not a C10 Seg I don't know. Oh, inline 6 my ass. But there you go. So he did a. Right now it has a 5 and a 8. Right? 5.8. Because the flip kit is 6, and then the 2-inch hangers is 2. So that's an 8 and a 5.
Like that?
It was a 6 and an 8. On the front, 6, but it would hit on the ender fender on top. It was too low. You know, not everybody can be static. But there you go. 5.8 on the 76 C10, C15. My bad. On 15x8 rallies. GMC, whatever. ¿Cuál es el carro, mijo, Oh, the C-notch. Can't really see, but all original.
Even the radio is intact, it worked.
Oh. Vente para acá. And pop the hood so they can see it. So that's what we did today right there. LMC hood brace for these C10, C15s. Little 350. There it is. We also did a C-notch last week and I didn't record nothing. I was too tired. But I don't think I can. Maybe if I throw myself in the back.
You can see clearly, bro.
There you go. Fat guy on the ground part 2. Anyway. No se mira ni madres.
No?
Hell no. Oh, maybe. Right there. Oh, got it. There it is. C-notch, step notch, bolt on, whatever you want to call it. That's it. Flip kit. Come on. There you go. Flip kit with the shock extenders. So, yeah. Anyway. Not too bad. Cute little truck. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. He's putting armor on them, I'm some primer. Who would have seen that armor on with primer? Armor on tires on primer fucking paint. He took off the bumper because he's doing the body work on it, so. Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Come back, there's gonna be a lot on this truck right here. That one and that one. So. Thank you. See you soon.